We are the co-founders of Kori and will give you a quick tour of how you can go from searching to shopping any recipe on the platform and on the entire internet. The concept holds huge value for both consumers and retailers as it simplifies the entire recipe shopping experience and generates additional orders at the same time. We can start by exploring recipes that are either already owned by a retailer or published anywhere on the internet, even the blogger's content. And of course, once the cart is created, it gets delivered to your home by the choice provided by the retailer. Once you click the recipe, in this case, peanut butter cookie, it will automatically parse all the ingredients that you can add all of them at one time or individually add them, increase the quantity on them, reduce the quantity on them, or take it to zero, in which case the swap feature gets enabled. Once the swap feature gets enabled, it takes you to our smart search engine where it automatically loads all the alternate peanut butter brands that you can select from. I can hit add all to the list, in which case all the ingredients will get added to my shopping list. I can then go back and search for other recipes and it will keep adding to my shopping list. It also tells me if there are ingredients that are already added. For example, let me open another peanut butter recipe which has a similar ingredient in it. Here you see eggs and peanut butter both are already added. You can decide not to add additionally. You can decide to add another carton of eggs, which will automatically add to your shopping list. There is also the My Recipes section, which remembers your past purchases, your past surfing history, and also has an intelligent recommendations engine which keeps track of any main ingredients, like in this case the peanut butter, and recommends similar recipes in case you had the peanut butter left over. This way you minimize your wastage. You can also go to Google, look for spaghetti carbonara, load the recipe, and just by clicking one share button, open Kori and do add to list, it brings you back into the same Kori application where you can add ingredients and it gets added to your existing shopping list. Once again, any ingredient which is already added is automatically reflected as added.